What if I told you that 90% of the expensive car problems mechanics diagnose could be fixed in your driveway for free? No tools, no parts, no $150 diagnostic fees, just 10 simple reset tricks that dealerships pray you never discover. I'm about to save you thousands of dollars, and trick number 3 alone has prevented more transmission rebuilds than any other secret I know. But first, let me show you the nuclear option that every mechanic uses but never tells customers about. Reset number 10, battery disconnect. The nuclear option. Here's the reset that fixes more car problems than any other trick in existence. I call it the nuclear option because it wipes your car's brain completely clean. Just disconnect your negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. That's it. This simple move resets your ECU, transmission module, body control module. Every computer in your car gets a fresh start. In my 20 years turning wrenches, I've seen this fix rough idle, random warning lights, weird shifting, and dozens of other mysterious problems that dealers love to charge $500 just to diagnose. Pause this video right now and go check. Can you see your battery? If yes, you're 5 minutes away from potentially solving your car's biggest headache. Reset number 9, check engine light, the $200 diagnostic killer. The check engine light is basically a scare tactic that drives people straight to the dealer. But here's what they don't want you to know. You can clear it yourself 3 different ways. Method 1. Turn your key to on. Don't start it. Press your brake and gas pedals simultaneously for 20 seconds. Release both. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start normally. Method 2. The old school way. Disconnect that battery for 15 minutes. Method 3. Turn your key from off to on 3 times, ending in the on position, then start the car. If the light comes right back, you have a real problem. If it stays off, you just saved yourself a $200 diagnostic fee. The next 3 resets deal with the most expensive car repairs. And number 7 could save you $2,000 on a transmission rebuild. Reset number 8, throttle body reset. Your car's throttle learns your driving style, but sometimes that learning gets corrupted. The result? Rough idle, poor acceleration, and a car that feels like it's choking. Here's the 60-second fix that mechanics charge $150 for. Turn your key to on without starting. Press the gas pedal to the floor and hold for 10 seconds. Release and turn off the key. Wait 10 seconds, then start the car and let it idle for 5 minutes without touching anything. This forces your throttle system to forget bad habits and relearn proper idle speed. Works on almost every car built after 2005. Reset number 7, transmission reset. The 2000 money saver. This is the big one. Transmission problems often aren't mechanical failures, they're computer learning errors. Your transmission module learns your driving style, but sometimes creates harsh shifting or delayed engagement that dealers claim requires a $2,000 rebuild. Here's the reset. With your engine running in park, turn the key off and on 5 times within 10 seconds. Then shift through all gears slowly, twice. This dumps the transmission's memory and forces it to relearn from scratch. You'll notice firmer shifts initially, but after 20 to 30 miles of driving, everything smooths out. This trick has saved more transmissions than any other reset I know. If you're experiencing transmission issues right now, grab your keys and try this immediately. Don't let a dealer talk you into a rebuild until you've tried this free fix. Reset number 6, power window reset. Windows acting crazy, moving erratically, stopping mid-travel, or reversing when they shouldn't. Your window position sensors just need recalibration. Hold the window switch up for 10 seconds after the window reaches the top. Then hold down for 10 seconds after it reaches the bottom. Do this for each window individually. This teaches your car's computer the full range of motion for each window. Dealers charge $100 per window for this 30-second procedure. Reset number 5, door lock. Reset door lock cycling like they're possessed. This drives people insane and drains your battery. Here's the exorcism. With all doors closed, turn your key to on. Press lock. Turn key to off. Press unlock. Turn key to on. Press lock again. This synchronizes all your door actuators and stops that annoying random cycling that makes your car sound like a robot having a seizure. The next reset fixes the most frustrating modern car problem. And it's something 90% of people don't even know can be reset. Reset number 4, Infotainment reset. Unfreeze your digital dashboard. Your car's screen froze, Bluetooth died, or the whole system crashed? Before you start thinking about expensive replacements, try this. Hold your power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and reboots. Some systems use home plus back buttons instead. This forces your infotainment computer to restart and clear software glitches, just like rebooting your phone. It fixes frozen screens, dead Bluetooth, and navigation crashes without losing your settings. Reset number 3. HVAC. Reset. Fix crazy. Climate control. No heat in winter? No AC in summer? Air blowing from wrong vents? Your HVAC system's brain needs a reboot. Turn your climate system completely off. Find the HVAC fuse in your fuse box and remove it for 10 minutes. Reinstall it, start your car, turn on climate control, and let it cycle through all settings for 5 minutes without touching anything. This recalibrates your temperature sensors and actuator positions. I've seen this fix problems that dealers claimed needed $800 in parts. Reset number 2. ABS reset. Restore life-saving brake function. That ABS light isn't just annoying. It means you've lost anti-lock capability when you need it most. Here's how to restore it. Turn your key to on without starting. Press and release the brake pedal 3 times firmly. Turn key off, wait 10 seconds, then start the car. This clears false fault codes and recalibrates your wheel speed sensors. Your anti-lock brakes could literally save your life. Don't ignore this one. Reset number 1. Fuel system. Reset, the ultimate performance and economy booster. Your fuel system's computer can lose calibration, causing poor fuel economy, rough running, and reduced power. Start with a full tank. Drive at steady 55 miles per hour for 10 minutes without cruise control. Then do city driving with multiple stop-and-go cycles for 10 minutes. This forces your fuel control modules to relearn optimal parameters. I've seen this improve fuel economy by up to 15% and eliminate performance problems that dealers blame on expensive fuel system components. I just handed you the keys to save potentially $10,000 plus in unnecessary repairs. These 10 resets have saved more cars than any other tricks I know. If even one of these worked for your car, absolutely crush that like button. It tells YouTube to show this money-saving information to more people who need it. Drop a comment and tell me which reset you tried first and what happened. I personally read every single comment and often reply with specific advice for your situation. Remember, try these resets before you pay a mechanic. Your wallet will thank you.